Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. First watch this, please subscribe my channel for more cooking recipes. Today, we're diving into the delicious world of Sri Lankan cuisine. We're making appam, a soft, fluffy, and slightly crispy pancake that's perfect for breakfast or dinner. It's gluten-free, made with rice, and pairs amazingly with coconut milk or curry. Let's get started. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of raw rice, or rice flour for a quicker version, half a cup of cooked rice, 1/2 cup of grated coconut, fresh or desiccated, teaspoon of sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of active dry yeast, 1/4 cup of warm water, half a cup of coconut milk, optional, for extra flavor. That's it. Simple, right? Soaking the rice. If you're using raw rice, start by soaking it in water for at least 4 to 6 hours, or overnight. This softens the rice and makes it easier to blend. If you're using rice flour, you can skip this step. Blending the batter. Once the rice is soaked, drain the water and add it to a blender. Throw in the cooked rice, grated coconut, sugar, and salt. Blend everything into a smooth batter. You can add a little water or coconut milk to help it blend easily. The batter should be smooth and slightly thick, like pancake batter. Once it's ready, pour it into a large bowl. Activating the yeast. And now, let's activate the yeast. Take 1/4 cup of warm water, not too hot, just lukewarm, and mix in the yeast. Let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes until it becomes frothy. Once the yeast is ready, mix it into the batter. Cover the bowl and let it ferment for 6 to 8 hours, or overnight. This is what gives the appam its signature fluffy texture and slight tangy flavor. Fermented batter. Look at this. The batter has doubled in size and smells amazing. Give it a good stir. You'll notice it's light and airy. Cooking the appam. Now, let's cook. Heat a non-stick appam pan or a small skillet on medium heat. Lightly grease it with oil. Pour a ladleful of batter into the center of the pan, then quickly swirl it around to spread the batter thinly on the sides and thicker in the center. Cover the pan with a lid and let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes. You'll see the edges turn golden and crispy, while the center stays soft and fluffy. Once it's done, gently remove it from the pan. Look at that perfect lace-like edge. Serving the appam. Now for the best part, serving. Sri Lankan appam is traditionally paired with coconut milk and a spicy curry. You can also enjoy it with sweetened coconut milk or even some honey for a sweet twist. And that's how you make Sri Lankan-style appam. It's a simple yet delicious dish that's sure to impress. Give it a try and let me know how it turns out in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more recipes like this. See you next time.